Exercise 5. Shaking head and wagging tail. So now stepping out into a horse stance. Placing the hands over the knees and just going as far as you can, not allowing the knees though to drop inwards, keeping the knees pushed out. So women turning to the right first and men to the left. And now looking over the foot. Turning, elevate the body. Come back down to look over the foot. Using the head as a beacon, coming all the way round. Look over the opposite foot and then turning in the hips. And dropping back down. Head has been used as a beacon. Looking over the foot, breathe out. Elevate, breathe in. Look over the foot, breathe out. Go across to the other side, breathing in. Look over the foot, breathe out. Elevate, breathe in. Look over the foot, breathe out. Sweep across to the other side, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And really thinking of drawing the fire down from the top of the head down into the perineal area to bring down any nervousness or any anxiety. And stepping together.